Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. My name is Brent, and today we are going to review this really awesome lithium ion cordless brush pruner, tree pruner, branch pruner. It's made by Nexon. Now, if you remember and you watch my channel, I actually made a review about this company with the pipe cutter, and it was so good. I went back and I said, can I try your pruner? Because I checked it out on your website. It looks great. And if their pipe cutter was that good, then this pruner must be that much better. With that all being said, as you can see, I have a battery. This is a 4 amp hour, 20 volt lithium ion battery. It slides right in there. How you turn it on is you press and hold this power button right there. We're gonna click this 2 times. That's gonna open it right up. Now, automatically taking a look at this blade, it is insanely sharp. It is razor sharp, my friends. And with that all being said, look at this. Look how fast it is. That's why I didn't really use a lot of electric pruners before, because of that one reason. Whenever it backs up, a lot of other brands are actually very slow. This one, it is spring actuated, so it's really quick. Now, if you look right here, you do that, you're going to be able to take this, turn it, you can change this blade. Now, this is a very sharp, very durable blade, and if we take a look right here, you're going to see that it is a counter that's on there, digital display. So I actually want to show you how this works in real time. So let's go ahead and start cutting some branches. And all right, let's go ahead and start seeing how this actually works. Oh, okay, let's do a bigger branch. All right, that was pretty big. Now the capacity on this is right around 1.6 inches, something like that. This is well over an inch, so that was pretty close to capacity. Let's do a bigger one right here, as you can see. All right, it fit. Oh, yeah, that was pretty big. You can see how big that is through there. All right, let's cut a couple more. All right, let's get down here. Oh yeah, that's awesome. See here. I'm just getting cut happy. Okay, funny enough, that is not all this does. Check this out. This has one more trick up its sleeve, and you are going to love it. Yes, this right here is the pole pruner. Now this has a 15-foot reach. I know you can't see it very much, but if I do this, you can see the difference. Now, what does this look like? This actually just extends the battery. So all you need to do is just slide that on. We're going to take this, and this just really nicely spins onto it, and this locks it into place. And whenever you get that done, now this takes over the whole tool. The battery's down here, and all we have to do is, and that's it. Now, this pole right here is just about, I would say, 5'8", and if I want to extend it, it's pretty cool. All I have to do is just extend it out, snap it into place, hold it there, extend it out, snap it into place, and this is as far as it can go. As you can see, it is a very long pole. So when testing this whole thing out, I will say You know, this is also spring loaded here. So that's really nice. The pole is aluminum, it's spring loaded, it's ergonomic, it works great. I absolutely love this thing. If you're looking for a pruner, a pole pruner, this is 2 for 1. You get best of both worlds. You get the power, you get the cordless, you get the pole, you get the handheld, and it's quick. I can't wait to use it some more. But I hope to see you all in the next video. My name is Brent. This has been Live Free and Tool On. Take care, and if you liked the video, go down below and hit the like button, share the video, subscribe, do all the great stuff, and until next time, hey, listen, I'll see you. Take care.